Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a most easiest rose without any gutter. First, taking a small amount of polymer clay. I have chosen red color for this rose. Then pieces the clay with a plate. Then take one of the pieces and by using hands make a ball and press it harder and attach to the first step of rose. From this technique, you can make a perfect rose without any fancy cutter. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.